Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me okay. It's a bit of a breeze today, and we've got the guys next door shouting and bawling a bit. Anyway, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this fantastic platinum silver XJ8. It's a 3.2 Sport, a V8, and it's a 2001 on a Y plate. So from 2001, 2002, 52 plate, they had slightly revised interiors. They had the bird's eye maple, try and modernise them a little bit, and they had a bit bigger seats in the front. But other than that, they're near enough identical to previous XJ8s. They come with the Celtic alloy wheels, which have all been refurbished on this car. It's also had brand new tyres fitted all around, so it's got 4 matching brand new tyres. They've only just been put on, and as you can see, it's got the mesh grills, which is a trait of the XJR, but we put them on this to just to smarten it up a little bit. It's got a new number plate plinth, new number plates front and back were fitted. It's got a new wiper blade. We've fully serviced this car. We put an auxiliary belt on it. It's had chrome door mirrors fitted. As you can see, it's absolutely spotless, this car. Absolutely spotless. It's got the original black coach line down it as well, never been messed around with, original black coach line. It's got the black window frames, which is obviously a telltale trait of a Sport. It's got rear parking sensors. It's got a new number plate surround at the back. And the car drives absolutely fantastically. It really does. It'll come with 12 months MOT, which is independently done up the road from us. We've actually ditrinoled the whole underside of the car, so it's got full protection, and it all looks uniform underneath as well. So as you look underneath on a ramp or whatever, it's really smart. All the brake lines are fine. We did put some new front pads in it and some new rear brake pads as part of the service. That's what we found it needed. I think we put, if I remember rightly, we put some anti-roll bar drop links on the back. As you can see, absolutely immaculate. The arches are perfect. Even the bottom there where they meet the sill is perfect. All the bumpers are mint. There's no stone chips up the back of the bumpers. There's no blibbing or rust around the rear window on either side. As you can see, we did take photographs of that. That's all original. Electric aerial works perfectly. High level brake light works perfectly. The badges are mint as well. There's no water damage behind the badges. There's no cracks in the light lenses at the back. All the chrome on the bumpers is absolutely gorgeous, you know. I mean, really nice condition. No scuffs or scratches on there. Again, no reflectors damaged. All absolutely mint on the bumpers. On this arch, again, absolutely perfect down at the bottom there. But the wheels have all been refurbished, new centre caps in, and all the stainless steel wheel nuts are all mint as well. They were cleaned when we did the wheel refurb. But look at those wheels, Celtic wheels. Everybody loves those, don't they? So yeah, all the roof is absolutely perfect. No bird lime marks, no chips on the roof, no damage on the windscreen. The bonnet is absolutely straight. There's no dints in it. There's no chips on the front. The grill's perfect. Front indicator units, no cracks or damage in those. Fog lights are mint. Everything's working on the car as it should. Electric mirrors, electric windows, remote central locking. I've got the keys in my pocket. It's got two keys, 2 fobs. If you can see there, 2 keys, 2 fobs that go with the car. Right, let's have a look inside. Now, this car is unusual for us because we don't really see many black interiors, but because we're usually ivory or oatmeal, but this looks really nice in black, you know, with it being platinum silver and having the black window surrounds. Looks really nice. It's got the bird's eye maple wood in there. All the door cards are absolutely perfect. No damage on the speaker covers. Electric seats all work properly. And these seats are so comfy. And they're really nice and soft. We've treated these all with hide food and everything and that. Nice clean glove box. We've also put an auto dimming rear view mirror on it as well, because as most followers of these cars understand, they do deteriorate over time and lose their ability to auto dim properly anyway. So we've put a new one of those in at great expense because they're a fortune now. But you can't leave stuff like that unfinished. You know, we go through everything on the car, so the car's mint. But the door card, another one, bird's eye maple wood, absolutely perfect. But yeah, the back seat is beautiful. It's got all its original tailored floor mats in it, and you've also got a new headliner as well, which is grey on these, not oatmeal. So yeah, really nice leather interior. Like I say, we haven't reconalised it, but we've treated it with hide food. Of course, on the Sport, you get the colour-coded boot plinth, not chrome. And there it is in there. CD stacker in the boot. You've got your warning triangle. All the boot lid itself, if you look all the way around, absolutely perfect. You know, I mean, just like the day it was made. You've even got a cover there for the CD cartridge for the stacker. And there it is, there's a spare wheel with a, looks like a brand new Pirelli P6000 on it. We didn't put that on, but that's obviously been on from new. Boot floor's lovely. We actually have put a new battery on this car as well. So it's got a new battery. But yeah, what a machine. Parking sensors work correctly on the back, as they should. Let's go around to this door, and we'll have a look underneath the bonnet. But yeah, what a car, look at that. All in the door jambs and everything, all in the bottom there where the back quarter meets the sill. Perfect. Big seats, lovely big seats in these later ones. Really nice. And the leather's a different grade of leather as well. So even though this all looks creased, it's actually not. This is actually how they are from new. It's that type of leather. It's a different type of leather than what they used to have in previous years. But yeah, look at that door card again, absolutely perfect. What a lovely car. All the rubbers around the doors and the door seals and everything are perfect. Central locking works perfectly well. Excuse, we've got a paper mat in there, but as you can see, steering wheel's not worn or damaged. Lovely sports steering wheel, perforated leather. Lovely armrest at the front. It's got the early navigation system in there, which, to be fair, is not all that really, but it's there. We've got the radio code for it in all the handbook pack and everything. We've got full service history with this car, and a lot of Jaguar specialist stamps in it as well, which is nice to see, and Jaguar main dealer stamps. So yeah, but you've got cruise control in this car, you've got air conditioning, climate control, you've got sport mode on the gearbox. You've got trip computer, front and rear fog lights. You've got obviously air conditioning, climate control. You've got rear heated screen. You've got you've actually now I remember, you've actually got, look at that, a factory phone, which actually still, if I'm lucky enough, still turns on. Look. Proper Jaguar Motorola phone. So all you need to do is just put a SIM card in that and you're off and running. It's all built in. Proper system. Right, let's have a look in the underneath the bonnet. Underneath the bonnet, same story. It's just absolutely beautiful. Just as you'd expect. Corrosion free, clean. Lovely engine bay. You know, I mean, this car now is getting on to be, what, 22-year-old. You just can't believe it, can you? 22-year-old. Unbelievable. Let's go around the other side. You can see around there. There you go, look. There's the VIN plate with all the paint code and trim code. Yeah, absolutely lovely. Smooth as silk is the engine, performs faultlessly up the road, handles really well. Of course, when we had all the new tyres and everything fitted, it had all the wheels balanced. Oh, we actually had the tracking done as well on the car. So the tracking's been done. We've had 4 new tyres, just to run through what we've done. So tracking, 4 new tyres, wheels refurbed, mesh grille at the front, leaping cat on the bonnet, new number plates front and rear, and a new number plate plinth at the front. It's had a new wiper blade, fully serviced. It's had a new auxiliary belt on it, which we put on. It's chrome mirrors. Like I say, the whole car has been machine polished, 5-stage machine polish, and a ceramic coat. Well, 2 ceramic coatings actually, because we left one overnight, and then we put another one on the next day. New number plate surround at the back. I'm trying to think what else we did. Oh, new headliner. Nourished all the leather with hide food. It's probably something I've missed off there, to be fair. Probably quite a few. Oh, we did the brakes as well. We did put new brake pads in. Yeah, it's probably something I've missed off, but that's about the gist of it anyway. So we've been through the car. Oh, I'll tell you what we also did as well, which I mentioned before. We actually wax oiled, sorry, we didn't wax oil, we ditrinoled the whole of the underside of the car, in all the nuts and crannies, in all the crevices. So that's all been done and all been protected. But yeah, just a lovely, lovely car. This car is going back into our showroom now, and it is for sale. And the car is priced at £11,995, which, to be honest, I think it's the for nothing. What a value for money car. This is now ready for the shows. Should win you a prize, this car, because it's that mint. It's ready for the shows this spring and summer, and it deserves to go to a good home. We are going to be really particular who we sell this car to. These cars now are getting very, very thin on the ground. Cars like this, which are honest, straight, no dents down the sides, no damage to bumpers, you know, presented in this condition, they're just like hen's teeth now. You just cannot find them. I mean, we are really struggling to find proper stock as time moves on now. And this car, it's beautiful, and it really is something very, very special. I've described it honestly and accurately. You won't have a wasted journey if you come down to see the car. Everybody or anybody who comes to see the car will be delirious, because it's been described exactly how it is. There's no stories, there's no incidents, there's no issues or problems. This car has been presented and prepared exactly like our other cars that most people now are viewed who are interested in these cars on our YouTube channel or on our Facebook business page. We're going to put on it on our website later on today, and we're going to be putting it on our Facebook business page, which again, everybody knows it's the Malton Motor Company. If you just type in the search bar at the top of Facebook, you'll see our business page. We can put a lot more photographs on there than we can on our website. We can only put 25 on there. Obviously this video will be uploaded to our YouTube channel, which is, if you just again type in the YouTube search bar, the Malton Motor Company, this will appear. But if you're watching this video, you probably clicked on the link anyway on our Facebook business page, or actually just happened to notice it on YouTube. But check out our other videos. Most of the cars on there now are sold. As we get them ready, they seem to sell straight away, you know, without any sort of embellishment or exaggeration. You know, these, you know, demand is far outstripping supply of these particular cars. Jaguars, I don't think, have ever been as popular as what they are now. Everybody wants one of these traditional shaped Jaguars. They just look so cool, they just look so sleek, and they just look different, don't they, to all modern cars on the road now, which are just like little boxers. So yeah, more cars to come, more videos to come. We have that XJ across there, which is just turned up. That's to be prepared for sale. And we have this XK8 3.2S, which is to be prepared. We're still on with our XJS for all the folks who are desperately awaiting progress videos on that. Unfortunately, that's been on the back burner because we've had so many other things to do. So yeah, we've got a few cars kicking around. We have also got a Jaguar XJ8 long wheelbase Sovereign in Madeira red coming up shortly. That's just getting the wheels refurbed, and that is something really, really special in that Madeira red. So keep your eye out for that video as well, coming in the non too distant future. But thanks very much for watching, folks. Usual telephone number if you're interested in this car, it won't be here long, is 07759 938 395, and we look forward to your interest. Thanks for watching.